guys, it's Kara. Welcome to Champagne Taste on a Beer Budget. And today we have a couple of variations for the December BOXYCHARM, the base box. So this is the $25 box that comes with 5 items, and let's just get into it. The first variation I'm just going to call the red variation, just for convenience. I have a variation that includes the red palette, and then I have a variation that includes the green palette. What I did notice about these two variations is that they both contain the Elemis rose oil. So the rose oil was one of the choice options, and I don't know if these boxes will be customized based upon your selection of the Elemis rose oil or the Saturday Skin Waterfall Glacier. That might be the case, but let's just talk about this particular variation. Okay, so this variation, we have the Storybook Cosmetics Little Red Riding Hood palette, and this is a mini palette. This is a 6-shade palette, and this is already on the Storybook website, and you can see it up close and personal there. It's already for sale at the Storybook website, and in fact, over Cyber Monday, they had it marked down, I believe, to maybe $15. So the second item here in this photo, this variation, is the Elemis Rose Oil, and that was one of the choice products, and you would have already done your choice selection. I believe that was in November, or was it late October? Well, if you sign up now, then you may just get it selected for you. And then the other choice item was the Saturday Skin Waterfall Glacier Cream. And this is, of course, full size. All the items in BOXYCHARM are full size. And this is supposed to be good for all skin types and is a lightweight moisturizer. And the third item in this box is just below the Elemis Rose Oil, and that is the Ciate Blush. This is a product that is sold at Sephora, and we're unsure of what shade that this may come in because there are several shades that Sephora shows, but this is called the Glow 2 Illuminating Blush, and it leaves any complexion with a healthy looking flush of color, and Sephora shows that it comes in 4 shades, and this product retails for $26, and Ciate is the brand that has the bow as its logo, so you have a bow on the top of the lid and you also have a bow imprinted in the blush itself. And the fourth item in this variation is directly to the left of the Ciate blush, and that is the Seraphine Botanicals Daikon Plus Dreams Lip Exfoliator with Radish Extract. It's supposed to be worth $24, and I believe a daikon is a radish, so yeah, that's what a daikon is. This is infused with radish and chamomile extracts, as well as some oils like chia seed oil for some hydration, and a golden sugar, and also avocado, apricot, and jojoba oils, shea, and coconut butter. So it's supposed to be moisturizing as well as exfoliating. And the final and fifth item in this box is from a company that I haven't heard before. It is a brow makeover kit from this company here, and it includes 3 brow shades. Looks like a highlighter shade, and then a taupey shade and a dark shade. This is the medium kit that you're seeing right here, and it does come in, the kit comes in 3 shades. It also includes a brow gel and then a brush underneath that. And the retail value of this is $20. So before we get to the other variation, which I'm just calling the green variation, here are some important dates. These are the dates for choice, as well as finally the add-on shopping dates. So for choice, Tuesday, December 10th is going to be the choice window. It'll be 48 hours open for regular BOXYCHARM subscribers. And then Thursday the 12th will be the choice window. It's only open for 24 hours, and that is for the premium subscribers. Okay, so right underneath the choice, we have, see where it says shop add-ons? Okay, put this on your calendars, you guys. Monday, December 9th, it says access opens for BOXYLUXE and BOXYCHARM premium subscribers and waitlisters. That is the early access. So once again, they're doing early access, BOXYLUXE, BOXYCHARM premium, those subscribers as well as the waitlisters. And then the next day will be access for all active charmers, so that includes the regular BOXYCHARMers who are watching this video right now. But be sure to write those dates down or subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell and the all button next to the notification bell, and I always post these dates the day before these things happen. You'll be notified. And another thing I want to let you guys know is that I'm currently doing a giveaway. The giveaway is for the Huda New Nudes palette, and this is the video that you have to go to. I'll put the photo right here, and you just watch the video and follow the instructions to win the Huda palette. And this is my week 1 of my weekly palette giveaway for December. So I hope you check that out. And let's move on to the green variation box. And by the way, I left out what the theme is for December. The theme for December for all 3 boxes is BOXYCHARM Whimsy. So again, let's look at the green box variation. So both boxes will be worth over $125, and these 2 box variations I found on Instagram. And so this green box variation, it has a Storybook Cosmetics mini palette, and of course it's the green one. And this is the Robin Hood eyeshadow palette, and again 6 shades. And this one also has the Elemis Pro Collagen Rose Facial Oil. And again, that was the choice item. You'll either get that or the Waterfall Cream. And then what we also have in this box is the Ciate London Marbled Light Illuminating Blusher, which is the same as in the red version. And again, we see the Brow Makeover Kit. This one, again, is being, I keep saying again, I'm sorry, is in the medium shade. There's 3 shades, and it's Brow Bar by Rima. Yes, that's the name, Brow Bar by Rima. And then here is a product that I had not seen before. This is the Estetica Cosmetics Pore Minimizing Foundation Primer. I think this is the second time that Estetica has appeared in the BOXYCHARM. I believe some people got foundation sponges from this company, and they were black. I remember there were Illuminati sponges, but I do believe there were also Estetica sponges, and those were either in BOXYCHARM or maybe Pop-Up. Let me know down below. So this says that it is worth $24 at its website, and that it sets the stage for a flawlessly made-up face. It's formulated with powerful antioxidants such as aloe, sea buckthorn, and white mulberry extracts. It's lightweight and translucent. It's also oil-free and suitable for all skin types. And you can wear it on its own or under your foundation. It's 100% vegan, cruelty-free, and gluten-free. Now, if you are not signed up for BOXYCHARM, it is a monthly subscription. If you sign up in December, you will get the December box first. And these are spoilers, so keep in mind that the products are subject to change and that you're never guaranteed exactly what you're going to get in your box. But it's $25 a month for 5 full-size items. And if you sign up below with my code in this description box below, the code is JollyCharm, then you will get this Tarte palette that was made exclusively for BOXYCHARM. It's called Be You Naturally, and that will be a bonus item that you will get for subscribing. There's another product that could appear in the box in place of the Ciate London blush, and that would be the Ciate London Confetti Highlighter. It's a warm glow highlighter. Here it says it goes for 26 pounds, but that is $32 in American. It's vegan and you can achieve a sun-kissed glow. It has a mix of golden, champagne, and pearlescent shades that are pressed together for a radiant highlight in one sweep. And it kind of looks like Dippin' Dots, like that ice cream dessert. So you may get that instead of the Ciate blush. I know that this is one of the options for December. I just didn't see it in the 2 variation boxes that I saw today. So what do you think of the 2 variations that I showed you today? Are there any products that you're hoping to get? And what do you think about this brow makeover kit? It seems like a little bit of an unusual addition, and I'm looking forward to getting my choice item. I chose the rose oil, and also the Ciate blush and highlighters look very pretty as well. Please subscribe, hit the like button. I'm going to be posting additional videos that are dedicated to the Luxe box as well as to the premium box spoilers. So take care, have a good night, and I will see you at the next one. Bye, guys.